There's a fish. Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them, you guys. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to Girlfin Fishing, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be kayak fishing a beautiful mountain reservoir, and I have my fishing buddy with me. Winter, you ready to go? Winter, you ready to go? Let's go, come on. She is ready, but hopefully we can get on some fish. Let's get down to the water. Alright, you guys, Winter and I are out on the water now, and we're gonna fish pretty much all day because it's only gonna be a high of, I think, 70 degrees. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's a fish. Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them, you guys. Oh, boy. Heck yeah. There we go. Finally on the chatterbait. Heck yeah. That's a nice largemouth bass. Not bad. Maybe 2 pounds. It's a good looking bass. There we have it, you guys. Nice largemouth bass. Ate the chatterbait. Not a bad one. All right. I'm gonna weigh him too, and then I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna guess and say close to 2 pounds. 1 pound 9 ounces. Okay, so just over 1.5 pounds. Not a bad start to the day. See if we can upgrade from there. All right, we'll let him go. Get a little underwater shot for you guys. Pretty fish. Here we go. When are you gonna tip the kayak? All right, there you go. Oh, good job. All right, there you go. Heck yeah. There we go. There's fish. Heck yeah. Another one on the chatterbait. Gotta get him in the net. He does not want to be in that net. There we go. He was right by this log over here. Alright. Now that's like the definition of choked it. Heck yeah. That one's a little bit smaller than the last one. Sorry guys, I gotta back up real quick or we're gonna run into this log. I had a feeling there was gonna be a fish over here, but now we're starting to catch them. Maybe the sun, maybe it needed to be a little bit warmer, but there we go, there's another one. Pretty bass. I'd say this is a mountain lake, but it's a reservoir. It's not very big. They actually use this reservoir to put out like fires and stuff. So like the helicopters, oops, sorry, Winter, don't get caught in that. They fly with the helicopters and they come with this giant like bucket and they dip water out of here and go dump it on the fires. But yeah, it is a really cool lake and it's really pretty. Well, thanks for biting, buddy. There he goes. Oh, there we go. There's another fish. Heck yeah. Oh, that one was better. Dang it, you guys. Dang it. That one was a lot better. That was probably a little over 2 pounds. Not my PB. I'd probably be crying right now, but that was better. Dang it. This area over here is pretty deep. There we go. Oh, that's a nice fish. I mean, it felt nice. Heck yeah. It's not a bad one. It's not like ginormous. There we go. Heck yeah. Chatterbait. There we go. Not a bad one. Got his chatterbait right in his mouth. That's a pretty fish. All right, 3 fish, lost 1. Not too bad. Get that out of your lip, buddy. Whoops. Got it stuck in there. There we go. All right, here he goes. That one's probably 1.5 pounds too. It felt nice. Like, I think it's because he hit it and there was a little bit of slack when he hit it because I was reeling it still. But I'm hoping I can catch like some over 2 pounds, or I guess at least 2 pounds, because I haven't caught a 2-pounder yet today. But I'm having fun. It's been fun out here. Let's keep fishing. There we go. There's a fish. Ah, oh, dang it. Dang it. Winner's ready to dive off the kayak. Go! Go get it! Good girl. Yeah, go get it, girl. Good job, Winner. Come here, baby. Come on. Alright, I have to put the GoPro down because I have to lift her back onto the kayak. Well, you guys, I caught 3 fish. I lost 2 fish. And I had 1 chase me. But hey, I didn't get skunked. Like, I'm just glad I got some fish in the boat. And today was amazing, just being able to bring Winter out to this reservoir and just get away from all the hustle and bustle, which I hope you guys get out and enjoy yourselves. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as well. And until next time, just remember, keep on reeling.